With just a few clicks, you can automate your calendar, block time for important tasks and habits, and optimize your schedule for maximum productivity, all with Reclaim AI. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're reviewing Reclaim AI, an intelligent AI-powered calendar assistant designed to help individuals and teams manage their time more effectively. Whether you're a busy professional, team leader, or freelancer, Reclaim AI automatically schedules your meetings, tasks, habits, and breaks to create a balanced and productive day. What is Reclaim AI? Reclaim AI is an AI-driven scheduling platform that integrates with your existing calendars, like Google Calendar, to automatically build personalized schedules. It helps you reclaim up to 40% of your work week by intelligently blocking time for your priority, including tasks, habits, meetings, and breaks. The platform also syncs with popular productivity tools such as Asana, Todoist, Jira, and Google Tasks, pulling in your tasks and projects to keep everything aligned and up to date. How Reclaim AI works. Reclaim AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms to automatically schedule and defend time blocks for your most important work, habits, and breaks. Dynamically adjust your calendar as your week fills up, ensuring you have focused time without conflicts. Find optimal times for one-on-one meetings and team collaborations, reducing scheduling friction. Integrate with multiple task management platforms to sync task statuses and deadlines. Provide buffer times between meetings for travel, preparation, or rest. Sync your status with Slack to automatically update your availability, and enable Do Not Disturb when needed. Offer detailed analytics and productivity insights to help you understand how your time is spent and prevent burnout. Pricing. Reclaim AI offers a free plan with basic scheduling features. Paid plans include a starter plan for around $10 per user per month, offering smart time block scheduling up to 3 weeks in advance. Business and enterprise plans with advanced features, dedicated support, and more users. The platform's pricing is competitive with discounts available for students, nonprofits, and startups.